I know I'm a demon. That's why I'm called the burping demon.
Fuck you.
Okay, tag whoever can continue this burp. Okay? They have to continue the burp. Don't say anything, just burp after me. I feel so bad for my neighbors having to hear this.
I literally just did a giant burp before. I was about to hit record too. Oh yeah! I'm so mad because I had this giant burp and I was pushing record and I missed the button. And yeah, anyway, enjoy.